A for apple. Crunchy and red, eat one every day before bed.
Crunchy and
B for banana.
long and yellow, a perfect snack.
C for cherry, sweet and small, the brightest red of them all. C for cherry, sweet and small, the brightest red of them all. D for dragon fruit, pink and bright, a magical snack, a yummy delight. E for elderberry, small and blue, so many vitamins, good for you.
F for fig, sweet and round, the tastiest fruit that can't be found.
Mmm, so juicy and sweet.
G for grapes, in bunches they grow, purple and green, put on a show. G for grapes, in bunches they grow, put on a show.
H for honeydew, cool and green, the sweetest melon you've ever seen.
I for ice cream bean, long and sweet, a fluffy, yummy tropical treat. It's long and sweet, a fluffy, delicious. Squawk! J for jackfruit, big and tall, the largest fruit of them all.
K for kiwi, fuzzy and brown, turn your healthy smile around. Eat fruits every day for a healthy smile. L for lemon, yellow and sour, it gives you lots of zesty power. L for lemon, yellow and sour, it gives you lots of zesty power.
M for mango, golden and sweet, the king of fruits, a tropical treat.
N for nectarine, smooth and skin, full of juice and vitamins within. N for nectarine, smooth and skin, full of juice and vitamins within. O for orange, round and bright, full of sunshine and vitamin light. O for orange, round and bright, full of sunshine and vitamin light.
P for pineapple, spiky and tall, summer's favorite fruit for all.
Q for quince, yellow and perry, makes us merry.
Q for quince, yellow and perry.
R for raspberry, tiny and red, put some berries on your bread. You should try it too.
S for strawberry, heart-shaped and small, the sweetest berry of them all. S for strawberry, heart-shaped berry of them all.
T is for tangerine,
Easy to peel.
a healthy snack.
Yay, tangerine!
U for ugly fruit, bumpy and green, but the sweetest inside you've ever seen.
V for vanilla bean, I'm here to say, I'm the fragrant bean that makes ice cream great. In every scoop and in every cone, vanilla's the flavor that stands alone.
W for watermelon, big and green, the coolest fruit that's ever been. W for watermelon and green, the coolest fruit that's ever been.
Watermelon so sweet and be face. Now like the rings the base. Sequa's the name, healthy eating's the game.
Y for yellow passion, sour and sweet, a tropical juicy treat.
Y for yellow passion, sour and sweet, a tropical juicy golden treat.
Z for zucchini, long and green.
Half is veggie fried racine.
Zucchini is a veggie and a fruit, it's true.
Full of vitamins for me and you.